Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make noodle salad with tomato sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, 3 to 4 ripe, juicy tomatoes, and fresh herbs like basil or oregano. Don't forget a good quality extra virgin olive oil and a splash of red wine vinegar. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious and refreshing dish, perfect for any occasion. Next, let's get cooking. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and add your pasta. Cook it until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. While that's happening, gently simmer your homemade tomato sauce for at least 15 minutes to deepen its flavors. Once the pasta is ready, drain it well and rinse it thoroughly with cold water to prevent it from sticking and to cool it down. Now for the fun part, assembling your delicious salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooled pasta with your flavorful, homemade tomato sauce. This is also a great time to add any extra vegetables you enjoy, like about 1 cup of diced cucumbers or colorful bell peppers. Gently toss all of these wonderful ingredients together until everything is well combined and coated. You want every bite to be bursting with flavor. Finally, let's add those finishing touches and get ready to serve. Garnish your beautiful noodle salad with a generous sprinkle of fresh basil leaves or some grated Parmesan cheese for extra zest. For the best taste and texture, chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together perfectly. Enjoy this refreshing and easy-to-make dish as a light lunch or a delightful side.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.